Hello, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a cover letter. What is a cover letter? A cover letter is a one-page business letter that you submit when applying to a job, along with your resume. As a piece of persuasive writing, your cover letter will aim to convey to the employer why you're a great candidate for the role. And here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a cover letter step by step. So first of all, I write my full name on the top of the letter. You may call it a header. This is modern style in writing a cover letter. Of course, there are a lot of styles you can try, and this time, let's try this style. After that, you can give your personal contacts under your caps lock name. They are including your address like the city, the state, and the zip code. And also, you can write your phone number as well as your Gmail address. After that, you can continue to write the date today. And then, write the details about the recipient. They are such as the full name, their position, the company or organization name, and the address. Of course, you need to find out the person in charge so you know to whom you write the letter. For the address, mention the number, street, city, state, and the zip code. Now, you can open the letter with Dear Ms. or Mr. followed by the name. In the first paragraph, you can introduce yourself. Since you have written your full name bold and caps lock on the top of the letter, you don't need to repeat it by saying hello, I am Billie Eilish. No, don't write it like that. Instead, you can write where you get the information about the job vacancy, and tell their recipient that your qualifications and personal strengths align with the company needs. In the second paragraph, you can tell more about your skills. You have to give brief details, brief but powerful, about your abilities, skills and so on that have relation to the job position you want to apply. In the third paragraph, you can continue to write more about your strengths, achievements, and interest. Give brief details how you are excellent for the position and how you will be the asset for the company or organization. In the fourth paragraph, you may ask politely the recipient to review your qualifications. Don't forget mention that you attach the resume along with this cover letter. Show your interest in this paragraph with powerful closing sentences. And the last paragraph, say thank you in advance for their time and consideration. Now, close the letter with sincerely or best regards followed by your signature and full name. So, that's how you write a cover letter step by step. I hope this video is helpful. Good luck in applying the job.